Hi guys, welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin. In today's tutorial, I'm going to go over the basics of doing a voiceover in Final Cut Pro. The first thing you need to do is open your project, have your little timeline screen here already, and what we need to do to get the voiceover, you look around, it's like, what do you do? What do you press? Well, what you need to do is go to Window tab on the menu at the top. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Record voiceover. And if your microphone is working, you should see the bars moving like this. If you're talking into your microphone at this point and nothing's happening, you need to look at your connections, look at how your sound is set up, your microphone is set up, and adjust whatever channels you need to adjust to get this working. And then just do a few tests. So basically, what you need to do is put the position of the timeline where you put the line, it will start recording from. So you press record, it gives you a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then you're talking into it. Now it's recording it. All right, you see it's drawing the audio clip there. So we'll stop that. I'm not able to actually play that back and let you listen to it because I hear it clear, but I don't think it's coming through on the recording that clear. But you just play it back and see how that sounds as well. Okay, we'll just, I'll show you something else. I find that I don't like the countdown being on, so I like to just turn that off, and whenever I press the red button, I can just start talking whenever I want, rather than, with the countdown, you feel like sometimes talking straight away. So I'll just do it again. It's right away, it's recording right now, and it's drawing the audio clip. So that's what you want. All right, so once you've got it, the clip, then you need to look at the levels. So it's a question of how loud is it, what's the levels, what's the volume level like. So you need to do Shift Command 8, bring up this metering bar. Well, I forget what you call it now. And you see, really you want to aim for 0 on the right hand side. You see it's currently -6. So -6. So we're zooming in here. We're zooming in, and I mean, you can make this bigger doing this bar here. There we go. Right, now we just need to adjust the levels. We can do this. There's all kinds of effects we can add on, audio effects, but I'm not going to go into that because I'm not by no means have great knowledge on that, but I know you can raise the dB level and then get the volume how you like it. So you listen to it with your headphones and just look at the metering bar here to get it how you want. I mean, if you're recording and you recorded yours and you find it's like this, the volume is very low and it's down to something like -30 or -20, then you need to look at your controls of your main kind of, if you've got an amplifier, turn it up, or the different kind of, the bazillion different ways you can alter your audio, the buttons on your microphone itself, the master volume, things like this. You've just got to really play around until you get a volume level about right. And what you can also do as well, you can, depending on how it first sounds, is just play around with your input gain as well and see what's best suited. Sometimes, often you put it too high, you'll hear the white noise in the background. You mean the hissing? You don't want that. This by default starts at 18, by the way. So we'll keep it there. And I found it works fine for this Elgato microphone, no problem at all. And, you've got a few different options here as well, which you can tinker with. But this is the basics of doing a voiceover. And, once you get started and you do it more and more, you'll get better quality audio. And your audio will be, it'll be just right every time without any fussing about. So thanks for listening, guys. It's been a pleasure as always. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.